What's the meaning of continental drift? Continental drift. Continental drift.
Continental drift. Continental drift. Continental drift refers to the movement of Earth's continents over time. The theory suggests that millions of years ago, the continents were once connected as a single landmass called Pangaea, and gradually moved apart. This process was caused by plate tectonics, which is the movement of the Earth's crustal plates. As a result of continental drift, the world's current continents have moved apart from each other, creating the distinct geographical features and biotic communities that we see today.